Hello, learners. I trust that all you are doing well. Till now, we have discussed about several topics in business mathematics module. Today, I will be discussing about mean, mode, and median. So, before starting any topic, I would like to give you brief about mode and median, why we are learning this concept. In finance profile, we regularly with numbers, right? So, let's suppose you are working as a finance analyst or equity analyst in any company. So, what you will be analyzing the numbers every time, right? If you are a, let's suppose, equity analyst, so what you will be doing, you will be analyzing the share price of different companies, and you will be watching the past share of companies, and you will try to forecast the numbers, right? So in finance, we play with numbers 24 into 7. So these mean, mode, and medium concepts will help you to find out the correct number, to find how to do proper analysis. With the help of these techniques or concepts, you will be able to do a proper analysis. So the very first concept which I will start right now is mean. So what is mean? So basically, if you look at what is mean, generally we can say it as an average also. So the synonym of mean is average. So I will read this concept quickly and further we will discuss. So arithmetic mean of given data is sum of all observations divided by number of observations, right? For example, here I have taken example of cricketer, right? So let's suppose I'm taking example of MS Dhoni. In first match, MS Dhoni he has scored 12 marks, 12 runs. In second match, he has scored 34 runs. In third match, he has scored 35 runs. And in fourth match, he has scored 50 runs. And in fifth match, he has scored 24 runs, right? Now, if you want to check his performance, right? So what you will be doing, you will be calculating his average, right? And on an average in 5 matches, how much he has scored, right? So what is mean? Mean is generally a average of series of numbers, right? So if you want to calculate average, so what you have to do, you have to sum all the runs and divide by 5. Why I'm dividing it by 5? Because he has played 5 matches, and in 5 matches, what he has done, he has scored these runs, right? So that is the level. Let's suppose if he has played 10 matches, so he will bring more runs. So if he has played 10 matches, so instead of 5, you will be taking 10 here, right? So it will average will depend on number of matches he has played, right? So here, if I do the total of all runs and divide it by 5, so on an average, what MS Dhoni is doing, MS Dhoni is scoring 33 runs, right? So this concept can be applied in any terms, you can say. Let's suppose if you want to calculate the average mark of a student, so what you will do, you will apply this mean concept. If you want to find out the average market share price of a company, right? So you can calculate by this method. Now you might be thinking that what is the importance while calculating average, right? Most of the times what we do, we try to find out the average performance of company or any student or any cricketer, and accordingly we define that how they will be performing in future. So this is what importance of mean, or you can say average, right? So in Excel, there is a formula through which what you can do in fraction of seconds, you can calculate average of big data, right? So let's suppose if you are doing analysis of Reliance Limited share. So what you are doing, you have downloaded the 1 year share price of Reliance company, right? Now you will be having around 300 300 share price of Reliance Limited, because every day you will be analyzing the Reliance share price. Now, what do you have to apply the average formula, and with the help of average formula, you will be able to calculate the average of 300 days share price, right? So in next lecture, we will be discussing the formula in detail. Thank you.